Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through, only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled, caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse from the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see you'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Beautiful people still make mistakes. It isn't perfection, what is it we chase? Bow for your 15 seconds of fame. It's your time. Give me the messy, give me.
Hi guys, so I just wanted to quickly show you guys what I bought from the supermarket. So first of all, let me start with this candle. Let me show you guys this tab before he starts crying. So I got this, this tab was delivered to us today. I've already finished setting it, like no unbox with you guys. This is the Amazon Fire HD 7. This one is the 7. I wanted the 10, but money. Okay, so I decided to get in this one because it should last longer than any other tab I've ever used. The last one I used did not even last up to a year. It's finished. It's hot. So yeah. Then we have this. So I got this thing. Then I got this diffuser. This lavender is trash, but it's for the sitting room. So I'll just, whenever it finishes, it doesn't smell as nice. I don't even know who sent me to go and buy this fragrance. Then I got this Airwick. So Airwick actually have candles too. I don't even know. And this one is vanilla. It smells so nice. That other one smells good too. And it's almost finished under a weekend. So I also got this bean flour. It's very, very nice. If you've never ever tried, this is a lifesaver. Can't wait to make more with this. So this one I got from the supermarket. I got two to make more and akara, because you cannot, this place is not like our place in Onitsha where we used to buy akara from any junction you reach, you get akara. Then I got this thing for cleaning the kitchen. Now my most interesting buy is this. So you guys, you're not going to be seeing that my trashy pot again. I'll be using it to cook, but not for my food tutorials. I needed this pot for my, I've always wanted to get a non-stick pot, but I've not been around since last year, so now I'm back. I can finally get one. This is a set of 5. See, let me show you guys. I've not opened this one, so this is the smallest one. I'm going to be setting. This is the handles. I mean the covers. So this is the smallest one. So this I'll use it to make anything. Maybe to make semo, indomie, well, all those small portions of food that you can actually use this for. guys. Oh my god, guys. This die cast non-stick pot. Okay. This is the third one. Okay. This is actually big. I mean, this carton looks so small, but when you bring the this is the biggest one. You guys, oh my god. And I love the color. It's like, this is not pure nude. This is like milk color. So I'm sitting on my head. So we'll now have a fancy pot for my fancy meals after, guys. Oh, this is it. I'll go ahead to fix the covers. Excuse me, sir.
Late nights, been on long flights, stayed on strange time. It's a strange time in my life. I took a drive home to clear my mind, and I ended back at your spot for what felt like the millionth time. Reconnection from separate sections, cause we could meet in the middle with no sense of direction. If it's sun up to sundown, we mess around, we're way too involved now. I never wanted someone to disappear, to disappear.
Hi guys, good afternoon. So it's around 2 o'clock and we're going for a birthday party. I don't know what I'm looking like. This lips, I added too much pink. Anyways, so that was like in it today, guys. I'm already dressed. I just want to touch up my makeup. Just hope this makeup lasts. Let me show you guys how I'm this. Supposed to tell you guys. What you guys go for me?
I can't think nothing better than spending my day with you. My life's sunny and better, girl when I'm with you. She illuminates so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just me and your sounds alright, girl. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you.
Hi guys, so I'm done having my bath and this shampoo is so heavy. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead to cleanse my face again. I'm almost running out with my Ghana Skin Active makeup cleanser in Brazil. So next I'm using my toner. I'm moisturizing using this Avila moisturizing lotion. Some lip balm. So, I don't even know why I was tying this, but we tied it either ways. So, you guys, I'm just going to head. Just going to go ahead and take my gift thing. But first of all, I have to give the case cereal. So guys, I'm going to do this tomorrow. Bye.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through. Only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled. Caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy reality. Whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse from the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Beautiful people still make mistakes. It isn't perfection, what is it we chase? Bow for your 15 seconds of fame. It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says there's more than meets the eye. Show off your fantasy reality. that you're feeling.
Hi guys, so I came to quickly end this vlog, but before I do that, I wanted to let you guys know that I won't be able to be uploading 3 times a week anymore. I can't do it anymore. It is stressful and it's not working for me, and the fact that I'm alone here with DK, I can't keep up. I've tried my best, but I don't want to force it, so I'll just go back to my previous upload schedule, which is Tuesdays and Fridays. So we're going to go back to uploading twice a week, which is actually much better for me, if you ask me. So yeah, that's just what I came here to tell you guys, and that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog. This vlog didn't have this vlog didn't have an an intro, but we are anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.